Hello everyone, take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, inserting small amount of hair through the rubber band, leaving the upper part just like that. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Now twist the two parts of the ponytail, rolling it around the circular part of the hair so that it looks like a juda, and then fasten around with the help of a bobby pin. Tie your hair in the form of a ponytail. Take the lower end, tie it again in the form of a ponytail. Fasten it around the circular part, rolling it downwards and then securing it properly with the help of a clutcher. Take your hair, divide it into two parts. When you are done dividing, keep inserting small sections of the hair in the back beanie part of your hair. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, insert a juda pin from upside down, tie the lower part again, roll it upwards and secure it properly with the help of a juda pin. Thank you for watching.